Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at the cafeteria.
What do you like to do after school?
I like to play with my friends.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What subjects do you study at school?
I study math, science, and English.
Where do you like to spend your weekends?
I like to spend my weekends at the park.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
How do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time watching movies.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
How do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday with my family.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay indoors and read a book.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal for breakfast.
How far is your workplace from your home?
My workplace is 10 kilometers away.
Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, my favorite sport is soccer.
What do you wear to parties?
I wear a nice dress to parties.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
How do you greet people in the morning?
I say good morning.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
How do you stay healthy?
I eat fruits and exercise.
What is your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by watching TV.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you do on weekends?
I hang out with friends.
How do you go shopping?
I go shopping by bus.
What's your favorite type of book?
I like mystery books.
How do you communicate with friends?
I use my phone to text.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, my favorite restaurant is an Italian one.
How do you celebrate New Year's Eve?
I celebrate with fireworks and friends.
What do you do when you're bored?
I play games or read.
How do you go to the grocery store?
I walk to the grocery store.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos.
What's your favorite social media platform?
My favorite is Instagram.
How do you share photos with friends?
I share photos through WhatsApp.
Do you play games on your phone?
Yes, I play games sometimes.
How often do you check your messages?
I check my messages every hour.
What's the latest app you downloaded?
I downloaded a weather app.
How do you feel when you forget your phone at home?
I feel worried without my phone.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.